Dear parents, I hope that my message finds you safe and healthy. It has been an absolute delight to welcome our secondary learners back to school 2 weeks ago. Whether they are attending classes on campus or from home, it was refreshing to see them reconnect with their classmates and their teachers and start this year's learning journey with great enthusiasm. I'm Mazen Cheikh, the secondary school principal, and I would like to extend to you a warm welcome to the 2020-2021 Open House event. For secondary school, the Open House with Ciric will be held on Wednesday, September 30th at 3 p.m. There will be no study hall session on that day. Considering the current situation caused by COVID-19 pandemic and the recommendations to avoid any gatherings on campus, the Open House sessions will take place virtually. Parents will be able to attend each session through Zoom links and a specific schedule for all subjects that will be shared before the event. Please ensure that Zoom program is working properly on your devices before the Open House day. Kindly note that teachers will be conducting their sessions live and that parents will be in the mute mode to ensure adherence to the timings of the sessions. Parents can ask questions through typing them in the chat box. Afterwards, teachers will collate the questions and respond to them later through email. The sessions will not be recorded and therefore your attendance is very important. During the Open House, 15 middle school and high school teachers of 10 different nationalities will be presenting. Individually and collectively, they bring wealth of experience and expertise of working in various education systems and with middle school and high school learners. These teachers are Mr. Al-Hallaq, grade 6 to 8 Arabic, Ms. Dancy, grade 7 to 9 English, Ms. Kate Ireland, grade 6 to 9 Art and Global Issues, Mr. Ranomi Hu, grade 6 to 9 Science, Ms. Layla Ahmed, grade 6 to 9 Islamic, Civics and Social Studies in Arabic, Ms. Lynn Hamdan, grade 6 to 9 Music, Ms. Magnolia Roman, grade 6 to 9 Spanish, Ms. Muna Rashid, grade 6 to 9 French, Ms. Nahmat Al-Awadi, grade 6 to 9 Genius Hour, Ms. Ernesta Pinkerton, grade 6 to 9 Math, Mr. Roman Holmes, grade 6 to 9 Social Studies, Ms. Reagan Ashley, grade 6 English and grade 6 to 9 English Language Support, Mrs. Joel Mandaly, and Ms. Jelena Ciric, grade 6 to 9 PE. In their presentations, the teachers will provide you with an overview of what your children are going to learn this school year, the typical learning activities that will take place in your child's classroom, how your child's learning will be assessed, and the materials and resources that your child will need for each class. Moreover, the teachers will talk about their approach to teaching the subject matter and how you can communicate with them throughout the school year. Please note that any individual matters related to your child should not be discussed at this meeting. You may contact the teacher to set up a meeting later if you wish to do so. At Beacon Private School, we have decided to be different in our approach to teaching and learning. So we opted for implementing the Common Ground Collaborative (CGC) ecosystem as the framework for our academic programs. The CGC framework provides coherency and alignment to our planning, teaching, learning, curriculum, and assessment. We do not only teach concepts and competencies, but we also incorporate character building in every lesson and in every module. Alongside our quality curriculum, BKS's facilities reflect our educational philosophy. The school areas are spacious and colorful and provide learners with opportunities for collaboration, flexible learning, and socializing, which are manifested in the classrooms, common areas, and indoor gardens. In 2022-2023, the school plans to start offering the full International Baccalaureate Diploma program in grades 11 and 12. The IBDP is a high-quality program of education that fully aligns with our CGC framework in supporting the development of knowledgeable and inclusive learners. Research indicates that diploma program graduates complete college faster than their peers, feel more prepared for college-level coursework involving research, and are better able to cope with demanding workloads and time management challenges. In conclusion, I strongly encourage you to attend the open house to learn more about your child's learning journey this school year. On behalf of the whole secondary school team, we look forward to seeing you soon. In the meantime, please stay safe.